Hi, I saw your ad on Upwork about your website launch that you want to have SEO content and help with setting up keywords and AdWords. And I wanted to show you another company that I'm about to start working with and give you an idea of just what I go through when I look at a website to try to help them out. So you can see this is carbropools.com. My software is called SEMrush. We love it. It's absolutely wonderful. So they have 13 different keywords bringing users to their website, and the Google expects 48 users per month on the website, which isn't that much. A traffic cost of $18. So you can see the keywords right here. So most people look for them specifically. Fort Worth pool builders, pool water features, etc. And you can tell the volume is going to tell you how high the keyword is. So most people are searching for them specifically because of their name, which is really interesting. Um, they are in a little suburb of Fort Worth, Texas, and there's probably about 4 or 5 pool builders in the area. So it's surprising that people are looking for them specifically as opposed to just a pool builder in Fort Worth or pool builder in Aledo, which what the little town that they are in. So you can tell the traffic is going to be the highest for their name. The cost is going to be the price of the keyword in Google AdWords, but they're not paying, no, people aren't paying for that except for them, and they're actually not using AdWords at all right now. So the next thing I want to look at is their backlinks. So when you set up a website, you want to have the keywords optimized, and then you want to have some backlinks. And backlinks are votes from other websites that tell Google that you are a authority on whatever your website is about, and if it's in a specific city, for that city. So these guys have 34 backlinks, 5 referring domains. Most of them are no follow, which is not good. You actually want more follow links. They're mostly from Canada. I mean, US, a couple from Canada, interestingly. Let's see what they are. So the referring domains are swimming pool company, design domains, building materials, and then Porch. And Porch.com is a website that has a lot of different companies listed in it, and consumers go on and say, I need a swimming pool built, or a pool contractor, and then they will give them a list of people in their area, and that list is given to them by a fee that the companies pay to this website. So it looks like a high authority rank, and it is, but it's not a very good it's not very good to have because it means he's paying for this service. So he needs to get more backlinks talking about him from authoritative websites. Obviously, these guys are doing, you want a domain score of close to 100 as possible, and obviously he is not there. So he hasn't run any keywords. So let me show you what happened if he was. You would have the keywords, the volume of clicks, the CPC is the average price people are paying for. The traffic is it's kind of the same as volume, as how many, what are those keywords that are getting the most bang for your buck, basically. So when you are trying to figure out what to do for your AdWords, we would just we could put your keywords in, or we could put your competitor's keywords in, or your competitor in here, right here, put your competitor in and look and see what their keywords are for AdWords. Let me try one of his competitors. Let me pause this for a second. Okay, so here we are looking at a competitor of theirs called Pulliam. They're in Weatherford, which is the next little suburb over, about 15 minutes away. So this is information pulled from Google AdWords. So it looks like the biggest pool builders Fort Worth is going to be the biggest keyword search. The volume is 90. This is the average price I pay per click, which is kind of high. And it looks like that it's pretty competitive for that keyword. So when you're making your Google AdWords, you will have to decide, do you want to use the highest keyword because you know you're going to pay for it, or do you want to kind of go in at backdoor and maybe use your anchor text, not your anchor text, but use your keywords as something different. You'll just have to make that decision whenever you're ready to do Google AdWords. And I would encourage you to really build up your website with keyword rich. Make sure that you have your keywords in your title tag, your headers, um, have your business information on your footer, have your backlinks, and all that stuff. If you do all that, unless you're in a super competitive niche in an international level, you should be able to get ranked pretty high on Google without having to pay for AdWords for very long. Most people have to pay for AdWords for a short period of time, but after that, you should be getting enough traffic that won't be an issue. The other thing you need to make sure you're doing is social market, yeah, like the social media marketing you're talking about on your ad, Facebook, um, Pinterest, Instagram, and I have no idea what your company is, so those will be better for you than others. Facebook, of course, and most of them are free unless you start doing ads on Facebook. Anyways, those are just some information I had for you. I wish you luck on your new website and your new business, and if I can help you out, I would love to. My name is Suzanne Lancaster, and just contact me through Upwork. Thanks for watching this video.